Imagine that you're an artist, sitting in front of your canvas, ready to create something beautiful. But instead of picking up a paintbrush, you open up an AI tool that quickly generates a masterpiece for you. Or picture yourself as a musician, composing a song. But instead of struggling with writer's block, an AI effortlessly creates the melody and lyrics. For years, creative jobs seemed safe from AI, but now those lines are starting to blur. People believe that machines could never replicate the unique touch of artists, musicians, writers, or filmmakers. After all, creativity was seen as something distinctly human, but now that belief is being challenged. AI tools are improving quickly, and they're beginning to take over tasks in creative fields that we never expected. AI's impact on creative industries has already begun. In the world of art, tools like DALL-E and Midjourney can create stunning images from simple text prompts. Musicians can use AI to compose entire songs, while writers are experimenting with AI-powered tools that can generate content for articles, stories, and even poetry. Filmmakers are turning to AI for editing, special effects, and even script writing. What seemed like a distant possibility is now a reality. Machines can create, and they're getting better at it. One of the key factors driving AI's ability to create is its ability to learn from vast amounts of data. AI tools are trained on thousands, sometimes millions of examples. These tools analyze patterns, styles, and trends and use that information to produce something new. In music, for example, AI can study different genres and then generate melodies that mimic those styles. In art, it can look at thousands of paintings and use that knowledge to create an entirely new piece. At first glance, it might seem like AI could replace many creative professionals. After all, AI can work faster, doesn't get tired, and can produce endless ideas. But when we look deeper, there are still areas where humans hold the advantage. While AI can mimic styles and create impressive works, it lacks the human experience and emotional depth that often make creative work resonate with people. A painting might look beautiful, but it's the artist's personal story and emotions that give it meaning. A song may sound good, but it's the songwriter's life experiences and connection to the music that give it soul. So, who's safe from AI? The truth is, no one is completely safe, but some creative jobs are at a lower risk than others. Jobs that require deep emotional intelligence, storytelling, and personal connections are less likely to be replaced by AI. Writers who focus on creating meaningful, emotional stories, for example, may still have an edge. An AI might be able to write an article, but it struggles to capture the human emotions that connect readers to a story. Artists who create unique works that reflect their personal experiences or perspectives will likely remain in demand. However, some creative jobs are more at risk. Roles that focus on repetitive tasks or technical aspects of creation may see more disruption. For example, graphic designers and illustrators who focus on producing standard designs might find their jobs at risk, as AI tools can generate designs quickly and cheaply. Musicians who only focus on creating background music or beats might also see competition from AI that can generate similar compositions in seconds. Filmmakers and video editors may also find their jobs at risk, as AI can automate parts of the editing process, making it easier for anyone to produce high-quality videos with little effort. One thing is clear: AI is here to stay, and it's changing the creative industries. But instead of fearing it, many creatives are embracing AI as a tool to enhance their work. AI can help with tasks like brainstorming, editing, and refining ideas. It can handle the technical side of things, leaving more time for humans to focus on the emotional and storytelling aspects of their work. In fact, many artists and musicians are already using AI tools to inspire their creations or to work faster. The key is to learn how to use AI to complement human creativity, not replace it. For those in creative fields, the future might look different, but it doesn't have to be bleak. The most important skills will be those that focus on human experience, emotion, and connection. Creative professionals who adapt by learning how to work alongside AI may find that they can create in ways that were once impossible. The future of creativity will likely involve a mix of human intuition and AI's speed and efficiency. While AI is certainly making its mark on the creative world, it's unlikely that it will completely replace creative jobs. Instead, it's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Creative professionals who continue to focus on what makes their work uniquely human, such as emotion, story, and personal connection, will still have a place in this new world. AI may be able to assist, but it cannot replace the heart of creativity. So, what do you think? Who's really safe in this world where machines are getting better at creating than ever before? Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest breakdowns of the AI shaping our world.